Have you ever felt like, oh my god, I need to be doing so much more? Why can't I finish my work in time? And why can't I focus? What's stopping me? Why can't I do all of these things? Yes, I'm talking about productivity. This is one of the most important things that we need to focus on ourselves and finish our work and just be overall happier in life. And get that bread. So let me talk about productivity. So hey, I'm Devashish Conger from Pitch Ground, and today we're going to learn the 5 steps of having a productive life. Number 1, multitasking. We are always tempted to multitask, okay? We think that we can take care of different things at once, but it's a very bad idea, because we can't put our entire focus on that one particular task, and it gets delayed and we are not doing it properly. Like, imagine you're talking to your friends and at the same time you're trying to write an essay or you're trying to write a report, and that's how we decrease our productivity. We need to focus in on one thing and do it properly, then and in that way we can increase our productivity as we go along. I know everyone knows this, but eliminating digital distractions, and this is very important. We have our phones on our hands, we have our laptops when you're working, and we have countless amount of time to just look at our phones, read that tweet, post that picture on the gram, talk to someone, or just watch a video on YouTube. And that's how we decrease our productivity. When you're doing something, when you're working, or when you're supposedly in a project, try to focus on the project. Like, put your phone on silent, put it on airplane mode and put it somewhere else. Just for that brief period of time, take that time off to yourself and work fully focused on that. And I guarantee you, when you are not digitally distracted from these kind of things, with these kind of things from Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, email, then you will finally understand how amazing it is to be digitally focused. Try to implement the 2-minute rule. And those of you are wondering what's the 2-minute rule, okay, let me explain. So this is a rule where if you have a work or if you have a task that can be finished in 2 minutes, you should directly focus on that and do it. Because when you complete that task, you have that sense of satisfaction and, okay, I finished this task, then I can just move along with different tasks in my day. Plus, when you give that 2 minutes to doing that task, it helps you to understand that, okay, the task is at hand, we can do it right now. Why procrastinate and keep it on hold for a longer period of time and possibly not do the task anymore? Or it will be so late in doing so, like writing an email or returning a call. So just, it takes 2 minutes, do it, and you're finished. And that, get enough sleep. I cannot stress on this enough, because if you're not energized, if you're tired, you cannot focus on your work in no way. So get that sleep you need, because when you are fully vitalized, you're fully energized, you will put your 100% into work. You won't have those drowsy times, or you won't feel sleepy when doing something. So proper sleep is very, very important. 5, and I think this one is the most important one, take care of yourself. If you're not happy and you're not healthy, how can you be productive? And don't worry, being productive is in one state and being happy with yourself is one state. Be happy with yourself, and only then productivity will come along. So take care of yourself, be on that healthy diet, exercise regularly, wake up in the morning, and productivity will increase like that. So take care of yourself. So this is all. Hi, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link in the bio, and comment what you think is the best advice for anyone who's struggling to do productive work. Okay, bye bye.